Hi Quizters, it's December 11th, so let's quiz. The answer from yesterday is that the codename for D-Day is Operation Neptune. Okay, today's theme is events of 2014. And today's event is an event which haven't actually happened yet. But it will happen tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. It is after all a big returning yearly event on YouTube. I'm talking about the Project for Awesome. Don't worry if you haven't heard about it. Today's clip will explain all about it. This is one of the, if not the biggest event on YouTube. And it will raise a lot of money for worthy causes, and you can participate in the decision of which causes. My question is, what is the name of the Vlog brothers who are the men behind the Project for Awesome? Enjoy, and don't forget to be awesome.